Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a Python course in which I teach you about the Python programming language. So our today's topic is membership operators in Python. So I create a new file, membership op.py. So what are the membership operators? Membership operator are used to check that the sequence is present in like that anything present in sequence or not, which we want to know. So suppose I create like a list which I name fruits is equal to, I write apple, mango, and let's see print. Suppose I want to know that banana is present in banana in fruits. I want to know that banana is present in fruits or not. So I write here banana in fruits and print. Let's see what results. So it print false because banana is not present in this fruit list. So I write here apple. When I write apple, so it's give me true because apple is present in. But when I write small a with apple, then it gives me false. So this is the way you can write like use membership operator. Now with the same example, we choose not in. So I write here print like I write banana not in fruits, then it gives me true because banana is not in fruits. But when I write apple not in fruits, then it gives me false because apple is in fruits. So these are the two membership operators. So these are the membership operators. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.